Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi. My name is Ananya, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about ginger turmeric tea. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I drink ginger turmeric tea almost on a daily basis, and this replaces my coffee, tea, anything else that I crave to have in the morning. This is like the perfect alternative, and it has so many benefits. And I'd asked you guys if you guys wanted to see a video on this, and so many of you guys said yes. So here we are. We are going to talk about how to prepare this tea, the benefits of all of the ingredients individually, and how it helps together as a whole. If you like what you see so far, then make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the like button. So welcome back, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the process on how it's made. It's super simple. Probably takes around 5 to 10 minutes, not even. You just need to wait until it boils and then a little bit when it cools down so you can add the lemon and the honey. But it is so easy to make and it is so beneficial for the health. So now let's talk about each of the ingredients individually and exactly how it helps our body. So the first ingredient we have over here is turmeric. And if you're brown or any type of South Asian, you know that we use turmeric in almost everything that we eat. My mom adds this in almost all our foods. I used to use this for a DIY face mask. I know she used to put a little bit of turmeric if I got hurt anywhere. This has been popular in India for over 4,000 years, especially for its medicinal purposes. It actually has a power ingredient called curcumin, and that is known to be a natural anti-inflammatory. Now, what does that mean? It means that it reduces redness, swelling, pain in the body, and there has been research that agents that are anti-inflammatory can also prevent diseases such as cancer. Second, it is also a very powerful antioxidant, and this means that it can neutralize free radicals. Free radicals are basically agents that cause diseases, strokes, cancer, all of that, and this can neutralize that. Our next ingredient is ginger, and ginger is like the power ingredient for helping your immune system. And this year in this pandemic with COVID, It is so important that you get your daily dose of ginger in because it is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antiviral, antibacterial. It is so helpful in boosting up your immune system. It also helps with digestion, nausea, infections, cholesterol, and diseases. I know that the ginger taste can be a little off-putting, and that is why I'll talk about this. The lemon and the honey really help balance out that bitter taste. But the other thing that also really helps is the pepper. The next thing that we have in here is pepper, and pepper really just helps absorb certain nutrients down. So it's almost like a sidekick, like a little thing on the side that just helps all the main ingredients. And this also has these same benefits as the ones that I listed above, but it also helps with boosting nutrient absorption, it improves digestion, it relieves colds and cough, and it boosts your metabolism. Those are all the things that we put inside the pan while it was boiling. Once we strained it out, we have to let it cool for a little bit, and that's when two other really important ingredients come into play. The first one is lemon. Lemon is also so important. This entire drink has very important ingredients, but lemon has vitamin C, and I think it's like general knowledge that vitamin C is good for you. And this has electrolytes, it has antioxidants, and also really just gives me the energy boost that I need in the morning. The little sour helps balance out the gingery taste as well. And I think it's just a simple way to get in that vitamin C early in the morning. And last but not least, of course, with all these crazy natural and raw ingredients, you need something to actually help it taste better. And I think honey is the game changer. Honey is really known for its healing properties. It helps lower blood pressure, it helps with cholesterol, it's antifungal, antibacterial, and it really helps soothe sore throats. So in general, it also helps with the immune system. So that is a little bit on each of the ingredients, and when you put it all together, it creates this amazing drink that I feel has helped my immune system become a lot better, because I know I used to get sick so often, and I feel like I drink this approximately from like October until March, anytime that it's cold. I don't really enjoy drinking it in the summer too much just because it's warm, and in the summer I don't want it to be warm. I prefer drinking this at the end of fall, winter, and beginning of spring because this is warm and just comforting. It's also citrusy and gingery, and the pepper makes it a little bit more like fall, and it's just perfect for this season. For the summer, I probably will make like a cold smoothie, or you can even make this into like a latte style, so it doesn't have to be like warmed and boiled and all of that. But overall, ginger turmeric tea has been such a game changer for me. I have realized that I don't crave that many things in the morning, and it's just so important for today's day and age when there's crazy stuff happening outside, and health is so important. So if there's anything that I could do, you know, by myself early in the morning, just something small to help my body and help those people around me just be healthier, I would just make this tea. That's it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this and you learned something from this video. If you do try out this drink after watching this video, then make sure to tag me on Instagram. Again, I hope you guys stay safe and healthy, and I will see you guys in my next video.